A very good morning, students. How are you doing? I hope you are doing great. Today we are going to do question answers of Unit 4, Section A, that is a poem. Poem name is Feelings. Uh, Question answers, and this is written by C.J. Heck. Let us see the first question, that is read to understand, A part of it. Answer these questions with reference to the context. These are the wording, students, and on the basis of these wordings, you have to answer the following questions. They won't know how to fix that. This is the line from your poem, and on this basis, you have to answer these questions. First question, who does they refer to? Answer, they refer to bullies who said stuff to hurt the narrator. Question 2. What is it that needs fixing? Answer. That refers to the feelings of anger and unhappiness that bullies have. Question 3. Why do they not know how to fix it? Answer. They don't know how to fix it because they are very angry deep down inside and cannot find a solution to this problem. Question 4. What do they do when they cannot fix it? Answer. When they cannot fix it, then they transfer their anger to someone they think is weaker than them. Means they bully others who are smaller than them. Let us see B part of this. Answer these questions. First question, what kind of things do the children in the poem say? Answer, the children in the poem said things that hurt the feelings of the narrator. Question 2. Why do the things said by the children hurt the speaker? Answer, the things the kids said hurt the speaker because they are not true. Question number 3. What does the mother tell the child about happiness in stanza 3? Answer. The mother tells the child that happiness grows much faster than anger. She also advises the child to stay happy because it is better that way. Question number 4. What are some of the consequences of letting anger stay with you? Answer. The consequences of letting anger stay with us can be drastic. Anger is a waste of our lives and can become uncontrollable, resulting in more unhappiness and hate. Consequences means students result होता है. Question number 5. What advice does the mother give in the last stanza? Answer. The mother advises the child to stand up for his feelings, to be assertive, but do so in calm and a friendly manner. Let us now see question number 6, that is match the stanzas to the key points they present. First stanza. Students, first stanza presents questioning the behavior of bullies. मीन्स जो बच्चा है वो बुलीज के बिहेवियर पर क्वेश्चन मार्क पुट करता है. स्टैंजा 2. दिस एक्सप्लेनिंग वाई देयर इज बुलिंग मीन्स फोर्थ. ओके, कि जो बुलीज होते हैं वो क्यों होते हैं, किस लिए बन जाते हैं. क्वेश्चन स्टैंजा 3. दिस इज एडवाइजिंग टू बी हैप्पी एंड शन एंगर. ओके, मदर सेड दिस. स्टैंजा 4. advising on how to deal with bullies. Okay students, let us see next, that is discuss and write. First question, do you think the child is talking about a real situation or an imaginary one? Give reasons for your answer. Answer, I think the child is talking about a real situation that may have happened with him in school or while playing in the park. On coming back, he tells everything to his mom and his mom advising him at the same time. Question 2. If you were in the child's place, would you follow the mother's advice? Justify. Answer. If I was in child's place, I would follow the mother's advice because she knows me better than anyone else and she would always guide me the right path out of her experience. Question number 3. Do you think the mother understands the child's problem? Justify your response. Answer. According to me, the mother understands the child's problem because she has also gone through this stage. She therefore is able to guide child at the same time. This is all students. I hope you have listened question answers and write them into your notebook and learn also. This is all. Thank you for watching the video.